Hello and welcome. For 360-degree camera rig, I am going to use 4 PVC pipe. To cut the pipe square, wrap a paper around and mark it and cut along the line. A sandpaper and a scissor can be used to finish the edge. I am using PVC cement to stick 2 pieces of 50 mm PVC pipe to the end of the T connector. Next we'll be fixing a 50 mm to 32 mm reducer which will be used for the camera arm. Ends are chamfered to fix the bearing. Middle shaft is from a 20 mm PVC pipe closed with the end cap which has a 9 mm hole. A bolt is used to press the shaft into the bearing. A small washer is also added to the end. MDF sheet is used as a base and a metal sheet for the top. At least this can be used as a musical instrument. To mark two opposite points on a pipe, wrap a paper around and mark the circumference. Fold it in half and mark the center. Wrap it again on the pipe and mark the points. This is useful while drilling through holes in a pipe. I have made a 3D printed adapter for the counterweight arm. If you can find a cross connector instead of T connector, this part is not necessary. Now I am assembling the camera arm. Earlier this hole was drilled for a bolt to adjust the camera arm. I have to make a small offset for the camera arm since the phone camera has an offset. Telescopic camera arm is made from a UPVC pipe and holes are drilled along the length to adjust the length of the arm. Camera is mounted on an end cap. A 1/4 inch threaded bolt is attached to the end cap, which is a common mounting thread for the camera. I am attaching a mobile holder to the thread. Link to most of the parts can be found in the description. Now I am making a counterweight arm which is also made from UPVC pipe, and the end cap have a hole drilled to attach the counterweight. I have used a 3D printed part and a 6mm knob for locking. A normal bolt and nut will also work fine. A wood platform is fixed to the top of the metal sheet. For the main platform, I am going to use a milky white acrylic sheet. One side is sanded and painted matte black. Since the acrylic sheet is glossy, I have sanded it to give a matte white look. Now we have two platforms to choose according to the requirement. Now the rig is ready for 360-degree videos, but two more things can be added to make the filming convenient. I am adding a motor to drive the rig. All the gears are 3D printed. There is a gear ratio of 2:5. Every second the arm will be rotating twice. Later I will replace this gear motor with a stepper motor so I can control the speed. Also, adding a height adjustment and a ball head for the camera mount will be a good idea. While making this, I had idea to simplify the rig. Comment below if you want to see that. Second thing would be to add a background. I made this with a 0.5 mm thick polycarbonate sheet. Cardboard or paper sheet will also work fine. Slow motion need all the light you have. Clear acrylic sheet is used to protect the camera lens. After the first test run, I have added a point source light from the top and matte black vinyl wrapping for the background. It can support my mirrorless camera also. This is a clip from my main camera. Don't forget to check out how I made the mini cannon and the shield. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys on the next video.